Well, hey everyone. All right. So we are on our last lesson of this unit, and so it is application of exponents, expressions, and factoring. And so this is your review for your test. The actual questions that go with this, the last few pages. Let's see, there's 10 questions. This is actually your assignment, so you can work these out. After we get through with these application problems are your actual Canvas assignments. So that's what's uploaded. So make sure you're paying attention to all these things that we're fixing to talk about because you will apply them. Okay. So remember, when you can only add or subtract terms if they are like terms. When multiplying exponents with the same base, you just add the exponents. When you're dividing exponents with the same base, you just subtract the exponents. To multiply polynomials, we use the box method. You have to figure out how many things you're multiplying to determine how many boxes you're going to have. When factoring trinomials, we use T-charts. When factoring binomials, we can either factor out the GCF. I'm just going to write take out though. Or use the difference of squares if it's a special binomial. It has to be a special binomial. And so then remember, when all else fails, see what you can do with the calculator if you can't remember the rules. Make it tell you if it's true or false, or graph and see if they match. Okay. Your tests are multiple choice tests, so is the STAR ELC. I know that at some point that will change, but for right now, that's what it is. So look at these questions. These are the actual questions that are going to be on your assignment. You will have to read into what the questions are asking. So you will have to set up your work before you can answer the question. Nothing is written out for you. It is a word problem, so you are going to have to think. Check with someone close by you. Think about what the question's asking. Talk to someone next to you. See if you're thinking the same way they are. If you both can't figure it out, ask me, okay? So don't just sit there, okay? And this is the last lesson in this unit. Make sure that you've done everything for Unit 6 so that you can be successful on the test. All right, so this is the shortest video in the whole unit, and I hope that you've gotten something out of it. It's one of my favorite units. All right, y'all have a great day.